Today we're back at Deranged HQ. Really nice colour. It's different, you know. Stands out, that's for sure. Hi everyone, how's it going? Today we're back at Deranged HQ. Last week, as you know, we was at Goodwood Festival of Speed, which was a really good show, really good for us. Done some sales there, had a really good time. But yeah, so I just thought I'd show you around what we've got going on back at the workshop and some of the trucks that are in build at the moment. We've got some really nice, high spec builds going on. Everyone seems to be taking full use of the configurator and going through all of the options, and yeah, some really nice specs out of it. So we just thought we would show you around and see what's going on. So the first one we've got is this one wrapped in the matte metallic bronze. On the configurator we do the matte metallic grey, which is a little bit more of a grey, sort of a bluey grey tone, and then this one is more of a bronze tinge. Really nice colour. Customers also gone for the 20s, gone for the side exit exhaust. It's having a full interior. It's all stripped out at the minute, but yeah, the door panels are in. Front seats waiting to go in. Slight little issue with the car out at the minute, so we've been waiting for a long time for stock. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's all resolved and we should start getting going with that again soon. But yeah, so waiting for front seats. It's also had a lift kit, it's really nice, gives it nice, like, you know, high off-road look. So that's that. This one, similar spec, but this is actually the grey, so it's quite nice actually. You can see the two together. If we come through here, get the angle, you'll be able to see what I mean about the two different colours. So this is the matte metallic grey on the configurator, and this is the matte metallic bronze. The customer's actually gone for a pink accent line, which is it's different, you know. Stands out, that's for sure. I quite like it actually. It's also, I think, gone for the brake upgrade. So yeah, we've gone for the big brake upgrade, and we've matched the colour, so we've actually had those matched up with the pink accent, which is really cool. Other than the three grey wrapped trucks we've got in, we've actually got another one in build, which is something a little bit different, quite a lot different than what we normally do. And someone's gone a little bit braver with the colour, so let's go and have a look. So I actually really like it. It's bright. So yeah, this is a bit different than what we've ever done before. And somebody's actually gone for it's a matte red, like a flat colour, but a matte red. No metallic in it. We wasn't sure at first, and I even tried to talk the customer out of this colour, and I said, I'll go for a satin metallic red, something a little bit different. But he was adamant he wanted it in a solid, flat colour, matte red, and he chose this one. And actually, it really works. It's bright, it's really bright in the sun, but with the gloss black bits and the wheels breaking it up, I really like it. I think it looks epic, and it's gone for full interior as well. So got the Recaros in there, full dash trims with all the red stitch. Yeah, really nice. Every single sort of detail we do inside. Yeah, so trim the centre console, gear knob I'd imagine as well. Full door cards, so we've got all the stitching, Alcantara in the bottom of the doors. Yeah, so really when you go all out of this like this, it does really make a difference. We even make our own custom grills for the speakers, so I'd imagine he's had the full sound system in this as well, which yeah, he has. I can see the subwoofer there. Yeah, so we make our own custom grills, which is a bit better than it going through the factory one. It's a bit restrictive, so it makes it really nice. Even the custom pods here for the Audison sound system, so we make these custom pods for the tweeters. Yeah, it's just overall really nice spec truck. Gone for a lift kit on this as well. We've got the brakes, so we've got the 360 millimeter brake discs with the 6-pot calipers, and he's gone for them in red. Yeah, epic truck. Headlight upgrade as well. Front nudge bar. It's pretty much gone all out on this. I really like it. Side exit exhaust. So yeah, looking forward to getting some pictures of this one and getting it out on the road. It'll definitely stand out, that's for sure. But I think that's pretty much it this week, but loads going on. Saturday here today, so nothing actually going on in the workshop, so I thought it was a good opportunity to show you around, to show you what we're doing. Hopefully, next couple of weeks we'll have loads and loads going out, and then start again for new stock arriving in September. If you have ordered and are thinking of ordering a truck from us at the moment, do get in there quickly because yeah, we've got no stock now until, yeah, like I say, September. So we'll start again building new trucks for the new reg when that comes out in a couple of months' time. But thanks again for watching, guys, and see you all soon. Excuse me, we're trying to do a video. We're trying to do a video. I know, but you think it's funny. Is that funny? It's the latest Deranged employee. What do you reckon? Gonna work for Daddy? Build trucks? And tell everybody how good it is. So you're gonna buy Daddy's Raptor?